Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I have two versions of the Walmart Beauty Box to show you guys. If you are not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, it is a quarterly subscription that Walmart puts out, and it will highlight different brands that you can get in the Walmart Beauty department. It is $6.95 per season with some, I don't really know if it's shipping, handling, or tax, but ends up being like $7 and change for me. And I get two subscriptions. The reason I have two, someone asked last time, so I'm just going to tell you guys, I actually have one in my name and one in my sister's name. I don't know if I can have two subscriptions in my own name. I didn't try. So I got two. I have version 6 and version 16. So I'm excited to see what's in these. Before we get into these boxes, if you do like this kind of content and would like to see more of what I have to offer, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it very much. Hit the like button if you do enjoy this video and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, let's check and see what Walmart sends this month. So I'm going to start with version 6. I always like to start with a lower number first. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm gonna. So let's see. So here's our top of our box. We have a little brochure that has Winter Wonders. And it probably has some information for what's in our box. Most of the time it does. So these are probably all items that could be items in our box in version 6. It could be that some of them are not in here and some of them are. We'll find out. There is actually quite a few things in here. And one thing I thought was going to be in here is not. They said sometimes when you order and when you get your order confirmation, it has a little mini picture of the box contents, and this is not what the picture was. So now I get to be surprised. So our first one is from e.l.f. And there is a big glare. But this first one is a sun touchable invisible sunscreen. And this is a 35 broad spectrum sunscreen. And this is from e.l.f. Skin. So this is a little 1.69 fluid ounce, 50 milliliter size. And let me see. This says this is the full size. And this is a $14 product. So we have a $14 item. This is double the cost of our box just in this one item. That is the great thing about the Walmart box is you're 100% going to make you're getting your money's worth 100% in the Walmart Beauty Box. So there is our one, maybe only full-size item. We'll see. Our next item is from Aveeno, and this is the Daily Moisturizing Cream. I love Aveeno lotions. These sizes are the sizes I use for my purse. This time of the year, my hands are already starting to get chafy, so I hate it. But this one, they don't really have a perfumey fragrance. It's just a lotiony fragrance, but it really is nice and it's moisturizing. And I'm going to go ahead and use some now because I need it. But it doesn't feel greasy on. You just can use a little bit. It goes a long way. But I like it. This is an Aveeno. This is going to be a deluxe size sample. The full size of this is 15 ounces at $14.97, so it's roughly $1 an ounce. And we have almost an ounce, so almost $1 worth. All right, whoops, my box is falling off. Our next item is from number 7. That's nice. We got a number 7 product in here. So this is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Serum. The full size is 1.7 ounces at $30. And this one, I'm going to have to read it later. I'm going to guess it's like a 5 ml size. So not a big one, but a little bit. Nice little sample from number 7. Our next one is a foil packet, and I'm not a really big fan of foil packets, but this one is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Shimmer Radiance Body Oil. So it's a body oil, so if it's an oil, there's probably enough in here for a little bit, and if it's actually, it has a shimmery cover on the package. I wonder if this is going to be a glitter. It doesn't say, but that would be cool if it's kind of a glowy, radiant oil. It's just get your glow up. So I think this might have, I'm obviously not going to open it because I can't reseal it, but that would be really cool. If you guys have used this one and you know what it does, if it's glittery or shimmery, put it in the comments for me so I will know what this is before I use it. I would appreciate it. My next item is from Batiste, and this is going to be a dry shampoo most likely. This is a sweat activated dry shampoo. I didn't know that was a thing. A sweat activated dry shampoo. The full size of this is almost 4 ounces at $10. This is a 1 ounce. So we have a quarter of the full ounce size. The full size approximately, actually a little bigger. About a third of the full size. So we have a little dry shampoo. This is perfect for travel. A good little travel size. Our last item in box number 6 is, I think, a full size. This is a CoverGirl CoverGirl Outlast Lip Stain. So this is the full size, and it is $9. So this is going to be an Outlast, and it says shades may vary. My shade is Jazzberry, and it's sealed. I'm assuming the packaging is indicative of the actual color. So it's going to be a berry color lip stain. So that's really pretty. So version 6, we got 2 full-size products, and we got 3 sample-size products. 4 sample-size products. So 6 total items in box 6. Very cool. It looks like in this one we could have also gotten a Tangle Teaser brush, an Olive and June polish, and a Miss Josie Feather Soft Curls, even an EOS product. So there were some items we did not get samples of in this one. Maybe they'll be in the next one. All right, so that was version number 6. Let's check out version 16 and see what changed. I have gotten comments from previous boxes that others that got the same variation got different products in their box. If that's the case on these boxes, please let me know in the comments. I'm always trying to figure out the algorithm and how things work on these. This one, we got another pamphlet. And it is different on the inside, so there's very highly possibility that we have some different products in this box. I do see some of the same, and I do see some different. So, ooh, I like what I'm seeing. So first thing, we did get another e.l.f. sunscreen. So this is, again, a full-size sunscreen, and this is a $14 product. And this will come in handy in the summer just for a light daily sunscreen of 35. It's not going to block all the sun, but it'll give you some good protection. So that's very nice. Our next one is a Paris Hilton perfume sample. And this one is not, oh, it is, okay. The full size of this would be $26.97 for 1.7 ounces. This is just our little 3 ml squirty, but it looks like the full size would be a pretty bottle, kind of purpley. And it says the sparkling scent of juicy peach, jasmine, and cherry sandalwood personifies Paris's feminine charm. So that's really nice. I'm gonna spray a little and see if I can smell it. That does smell nice. I've mentioned on recent videos, I had COVID over the summer, and ever since then, my taste and my smell are slightly off. So some things I can't smell at all, some things I can barely smell, and some things that just taste funny. So I'm hoping that goes away soon, but it affects how I smell things and what I can and can't smell. So I always leave it to my sister to tell me if it really smells good or not. And I'm really not getting a ton of smell. Fruit is one of the things that I have issues with, but the part I do smell smells nice. So we got a little perfume sample from Paris Hilton. The next one I'm going to pull out because it is the tiniest. The box is not even as big as my pinky, and it's got something inside of it. So this is Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Bronzing drops. Okay, so if this is what I think it is, this is something you can put drops in your foundation or your lotion to give you some color. And that's so small. This is so tiny, but this is just going to be little bronzing drops. I cannot read any of the writing that's on here, so I'll have to look this up. If you've used this bronzing drop, tell me if does it make you orangey or does it look natural? Physicians Formula should be a quality product, so I would hope that this is going to be one that looks nice when you wear it. The full size of this would be $15 for 1 ounce, and this is clearly a teensy weensy sample. So that is our very small sample, but wait, there's more. We did actually get the nail polish. So this was one of the options that was said on the other pamphlet. And this is the Olive and June Quick Dry Polish Shades May Vary. And we got a very pretty purpley pearlescent. You can see the shift of the color. It's got some really pretty glittery colors. That's a beautiful color. I will use that one. Let me see what it looks like. I don't have really color on my nails right now, so we can... This does not put on much color. Now, this is just one coat, obviously, but that is what it's going to look like for one coat. Pardon my cuticles, but pretty purple. And our last item in box number 16 is an EOS 24-Hour Super Balm, and I think this is going to be a lip balm. And this one is, it's not on this book, but I think it was on our other book. Let me look. Yeah, it's on the other book. Okay, so this is the 24-hour Super Balm. Flavors may vary. This is the full size for $4.97, and then it's 0.35 of an ounce. So our flavor we got looks like it's going to be watermelon. Our last item in this box is the CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion, and this is obviously going to be a deluxe size sample. The full size of this will be 12 ounces at $16.97. So this is going to be probably around, this is a 1 ounce sample. So this is our deluxe sample. So in this box, we got 1, 2, 3 full-size products, and we got 1, 2, 3 sample-size products. So those are really good products. Again, $7 and change said and done for these boxes. And we get 2 variations, so it gives you an idea of what types of things you will get in here. To sign up, I'll leave the link below, but you just go, it's a walmartbeautybox.com, I think is what it is. You sign up and you will, this season, you'll still get one of these boxes. There's a lot of variations. Clearly, it goes at least up to 16. So you'll get some of the same products, some different ones, I'm sure. And you'll get just billed automatically every quarter. I've been getting this box since, I'm going to say the dawn of time, but that's an exaggeration. It's been, oh gosh, it's got to be 10 years or more. I've been getting this box since, I want to say it's pretty close to when they started putting it out. So it's been a really long time. I just have had it on a consistent billing. That used to be $5 for the box, and then it went up to now it's $6.98 for the box, plus the tax I think you pay on it. But it's such a small amount that it's not something that I have to worry about coming out of my account that I'm going to forget about it, because $7 isn't going to break my bank when it comes out and I forgot that it's coming out. But you do get reminders if you need to, just to remind you to update your address and all that good stuff. There's no profile pics on this. You just get what they send you, so you don't get to put in your color preferences or anything, but you're just going to get some really good samples. We've gotten some amazing products, obviously full size and trial sizes in these boxes. It's one that I will probably keep for all eternity because I just love the surprising for just a little bit of money. So for the bang for your buck, you are not going to go wrong with the Walmart Beauty Box. Let me know if you get this, if you got a different variation, what you got that was the same and what you got that was different in your boxes. I would love to know. I'm still every month tempted to go in and get a 3rd subscription just to see what the 3rd box is, but I haven't let myself do that yet because 2 is enough for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining me on Beth and Boxes. Bye-bye.